Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to rotate text horizontally in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with blank document. Now I take this text horizontally in Google Docs. At first you have to select this text, then you can see here are edit option. Click this edit option and wait some moment. Now you can see here are drawing icon. Now select this text box to rotate horizontally. Go to here and move on your mouse. Press shift to move on your mouse. Now you can see I rotate horizontally. You can see I rotate text horizontally in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.